Welcome, in front of me is a Samsung Galaxy Z Fold3, and today I will show you how to put the device into safe mode. So to get started, pull down your notification panel, expand it, and you'll find a power button right here, so you want to click on it. This will bring up boot options, so from here simply hold the power off option, which in turn will change into safe mode. So confirm it by tapping on it once. This will initiate a reboot, and once the device boots back up, it will then be in safe mode, which also will be visible with a watermark that will be permanently visible while you're in safe mode. So let's just wait for it to boot up. And there we go. Now as you can see, there's the watermark, safe mode. So this will stay as long as you are in this mode, and it is there just so you're aware that you are in this mode, because in this mode nothing that you have installed will function. So as you can see, even widgets which come default with the device are disabled from starting up, and any kind of application that isn't necessarily supported by safe mode, which are basically all the ones that are monochrome, just won't be able to start up. So Facebook, Galaxy wearable that has been installed, volume styles. So anyway, you can see if you try to open them up, downloaded apps disabled in safe mode. So you can only use the apps that came basically pre-baked with the device. So anyway, once you're done troubleshooting your device through this mode, to leave this mode, all you need to do is find the power key once more, and this time around tap on restart. A simple tap will suffice. Once the device boots back up, it will go back to being in normal mode. So that being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.